video, I will discuss how to use the Plantweb Optics mobile app. The Plantweb Optics mobile application is available for download on Android and Apple mobile devices. To use the built-in demo mode, make sure you are connected to the internet and open the app. Click on View Demo and select Yes. This will take you to a dashboard that displays all connected sites and a count of unhealthy assets. From the settings, you can customize your general view, including supported languages and the badge count shown on the landing page. The badge count can be changed by selecting either messages or unhealthy. For the embedded historian, you could select the minimum intervals shown and the aggregation method used. As seen from the dashboard view, the mobile app can connect multiple Plantweb Optics systems. This allows for users with either multiple separate systems on the same site or a corporate environment where sites are spread across the globe to view the status of each from a single app. Select a site to expand it and view a breakdown of the device health status by critical, warning, and good. You can also view a summary of the KPIs tailored to the connected data sources. Plantweb Optics also has the ability to connect to CMMS, like SAP or IBM Maximo, and track the open and historical notifications. The dashboard for this example site also includes additional KPIs such as overdue calibration, overdue routes, down units, and serious problems. From the Houston dashboard, I could click on Unhealthy Assets to quickly and easily identify assets needing attention. This list is system-generated using health scores calculated from connected data sources. The Plantweb Optics mobile application also includes filtering and sorting capabilities. I could filter by location, class, and responsibilities. I also have the option to create preset filters. I can use these to easily adjust my persona view. I can also sort by date, criticality, and health. For now, I'll sort this list by criticality to see my most important assets that are currently unhealthy. Here I can see that this pump has a low health score. I'd like to investigate further, so I'll click on this asset. I could view the overall health of the asset trended over time. I could also investigate the latest values. Trend in context with the embedded historian, and view properties including links and photos. From the asset, I also have the option to watch or unwatch, create a new message, or link a new work notification. Additionally, any of the list views in Plantweb Optics can be exported and shared as a CSV file.
The watch list displays assets that you want to closely monitor. These are designated by the user and are not affected by health status or alerts. This list enables a user to keep an eye on assets important to them, regardless of health. This concludes the Plantweb Optics mobile demonstration video. Thank you for watching.